Hi guys, my name's Tom from Overbuilt UK. I'm just doing a quick demonstration on how we fit DVA Mechanics or DVA Mechanics rear access ladder carrier for the recovery boards. So first of all, we're just going to wipe down the ladder here. This one's been through a little bit, so I don't want to catch any of that mud and dirt down the sides of the ladder there. So just a quick wipe down, make sure that they're going to be nice and clean to install the carrier on. Now the carrier points are going to go on these parts here, around the outsides of the bars. So we're going to start by fitting the first ones on here. Best thing to do, load yourself up with a screw already. They can get a little bit fiddly, so we'll load a screw up, put it down near the bars. I'm going to grab another one of these little brackets and then start facing into the vehicle, into the ladder there. A little rubber strip onto the inside to protect the ladder, and you'll find that fits around there nice and tight, in there nice and smooth. Now I tend to only fit 1 or 2 screws at a time, that way I can then move the brackets and get the ladder in the right place, because once everything is fitted and lined up, your recovery board carrier will then fit on. Now there is a little bit of an elongation on some of the bolt holes you'll see, so there is a bit of movement in there, and then we're going to go get all those lined up. So I need another 4 on there, so I'll get those fitted, we'll have a bit of a speed up, and then we'll see how we get on fitting these afterwards. Now then, next step is I'm going to grab the bars here, and then you will find some of these button head Allen key screws. So once again, just going to find the best location for these. Now we need to make sure that it's the same height as the bottom bars as well. There on, we can then settle them in and get a nice sort of crease on. So we'll start by screwing these top ones in. Just let the bar sit. Do the same on the other side as well. Now, when using the genuine max tracks, we are using the outside bolt on one side of the clamp, and then on the adjacent clamp we are using one on the inside. So with your DVA kit, you also get your MaxTrax quick locks as well. 4 of those for your boards. So real simple, we just take the fittings off and these lock into your ladders. So this option will switch over. Once you're in place, grab our spanner. Get those locked in, nice and tight there. Now pop these into our loading position. So top one's facing up, bottom one's facing down. Grab our tracks and simply in, give them a little bit of a shove on, and then we'll lock those down nicely. There we have our DVA Mechanics rear access ladder recovery board holder, all fitted nicely onto the Grenadier.